Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're looking at the Gintan 13-gallon kitchen trash can with lid, the best 3-in-1 trash can you'll ever need. This product is perfect for anyone looking for a versatile and space-saving solution for waste disposal in their kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, or office. The Gintan trash can features a 13-gallon capacity, making it ideal for medium to large households. One of the standout features is its altitude variable design. This means you can adjust the height of the bin depending on your needs, making it even more convenient for different types of waste. Whether you're using it for regular garbage, recyclables, or even compost, this trash can has got you covered. Another fantastic feature of this trash can is the included lid. The lid ensures that odors stay locked inside, keeping your home fresh and clean. The lid is also secure, so you don't have to worry about spills or messes. Plus, with the addition of wheels, it's incredibly easy to move the trash can around your home. Whether you're taking it out to the curb or simply repositioning it in the kitchen or bathroom. Now, you might be wondering about the size. The 13-gallon capacity is perfect for households that need a bit more space without overwhelming the room. This trash can also comes with 2 smaller waste bins, perfect for sorting smaller items or managing waste in more compact spaces like offices or bathrooms. These space-saving bins are a great addition, ensuring you can efficiently organize your trash without taking up too much space. In addition to the size and functionality, this trash can is designed to be durable. The material is built to last, so you won't have to worry about cracks or leaks over time. It's also designed to be easy to clean, which is a big plus when you're dealing with waste bins. You won't have to spend much time maintaining it, making it a hassle-free addition to your home. The Gintan 13-gallon kitchen trash can with lid is not just about size or durability, it's about functionality. It brings you a 3-in-1 solution that helps you manage waste efficiently. Whether you're storing regular trash, recyclables, or compost, this trash can's versatile design is perfect for all your needs. So, if you're in the market for a trash can that combines size, convenience, and durability, look no further than the Gintan 13-gallon kitchen trash can with lid. It's truly the best 3-in-1 trash can you can get for your home. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. See you next time.